In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and play the new PUBG Blindspot in a few steps. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, just download Steam. If you don't have it yet, it will only take a few seconds, and then create and log into your account. Then once you are here at the home page, you just need to search for PUBG right here, and you should find PUBG Blindspot. So if you click here and scroll down, you will have the option to play the game. So you can click here and then select the drive where you want to install this game. In my case, it will be this one. Click install, accept, and now the download should begin. So after a few minutes, the game should be ready to play, and you can go to your Steam library and then collections, and you should find the game right here. So you can just click it, and you should see the play button right here so you can start playing. So that's it. That's how you can download and play the new PUBG. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.